Start an Anaconda, go to your Windows launcher and search for Anaconda. There you'll see something named Anaconda Navigator. This content will be displayed for a few seconds before loading. And again, this is dependent on the computing speed if it was in computers or not. But if it does so, I could wait a few minutes, right? Okay, so we'll use Jupyter Notebook for this. Look, we've previously discussed this, but there's also a program called Jupyter Lab. However, we won't be utilizing it. Okay, we'll be using Jupyter Notebook. But as you can see, this is not the one and only IDE that's encoded into the navigator. What's this called? It's a IBM Watson Studio Cloud, Datalore, CMD.exe prompt, PowerShell prompt, Qt console, Spider etc. And there are a lot of options. But if you click on Launch, we'll be using Jupyter Notebook for a book. It will show up as a notebook within your Google Chrome or default browser. Stick with Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox if you must use Microsoft Edge, but avoid Internet Explorer. Okay, I highly advise you to download Google Chrome and use it. As you know, Jupyter uses Google Chrome as its graphical user interface instead of having its own. This does not require the use of the Internet.